Hello my YouTube friends, this is Noah with Save Green here, and today I'm going to show you something that's going to save you $15 whenever you renew your Mint Mobile plan to a 6-month or a 12-month plan. It doesn't matter how much data you choose, whether you go with the 2, the 5, or the 10, but I'm going to save you $15 today. And if you look here on the page that you see it right in front of you, you see that it says 6 months, 2 gigs, 4G LTE. That was my initial plan. And you can see that my next billing date is June 25th, 2018. Now today is June 12th. So technically I'm 13 days away from renewing, but I'm going to show you what I did. So I switched to a 12-month 5 gig plan. I just wanted to go with more gigs. 2 gigs was kind of like right on the borderline. Some months I went over, and I figure what I would normally use would be about 3 gigs, but 5 gigs would be actually more than enough for me. So I went with a 5 gig plan, $240, but I only paid $225. So you can see there on the recharge status, there's a little check mark that says paid. Now you're thinking, oh, he probably paid $240. I didn't. I actually paid $225. I got $15 off. So I'll prove this to you by going here and showing you that 12 minutes ago I just got a text message from Mint Mobile, and I'll read it right there. It says $225 has been credited to your account. It will be automatically applied to your next monthly recharge on June 25th, 2018. So going back here, you'll see that my next recharge is June 25th, 2018, and that's 4 gigs of LTE data, or 4 gigabits of speed, of LTE speed, but I got 5 gigs of data as far as how much data I can consume between surfing, the web, downloading apps, etc., etc. But the speed is 4G LTE. So you got 4G LTE speed, 5 gigs of data. 12-month plan will be $240 normally. I paid $225. So if you did the math and you took $225 and you divided it by 12 months, it's just around 18 bucks. That's it, $18 a month for 5 gigs of data, 4G LTE speeds on the T-Mobile network using T-Mobile towers. So how do you get the $15 off? Well, down at the description I will post the link where you can get the promo code, and if it's time for you to renew, go ahead and use that link, and it should allow you to go right ahead and get the $15 off. If it doesn't, please let me know on the description, on the comments, and let me know if it worked for you or not. But you should get $15 off. Now the terms is you have to go with either 6 months or 12 months. You can't go with a 3-month. It doesn't matter if you go with 2 gigs, 5 gigs, or 10 gigs of data, but you have to go with 6 months or 12 months. You cannot go with a 3-month or the 1 month. I mean, at this point, I don't know why you would go with a 1 month, but anyway, let me know if it worked for you. Leave me your comments and let me know if that worked for you and got you the $15 off. Again, this is Noah with Save Green here. Thank you for watching.